Here on our beautiful garden deck this morning. And look, it's the Aspire Puxos kit. I'm so excited. I'm here at Terrestrial Vaping Headquarters right now, and look what I just got. It is my Puxos kit from Aspire. I'm all set up and ready to go. I got juice, extra 21-700 batteries, some tea with lots of caffeine in the kit. I want to thank Aspire for sending this thing. That's so great. And also, viewer Gary, who also sent one, just in case this one didn't get here in time. This comes with the mod, the new Cleito Pro tank, a couple of half-ohm coils, an extra tube that is a fatty glass tube, O-rings, which I've already used one, I'll tell you about that later, a USB cable, the adapter for the 18650, which we're not going to use 18650s, but this is orange and it's pretty cool. Warning card, user manual, and another warning card. Okay, sensor eye gate, the typical scratch and sniff package, and I got this beautiful peacock color. I think it's called Dreams, which is absolutely wonderful. This thing is pretty cool. I want to remind you guys that I've already taken this thing and put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, so please remember that if it's wet, you get an item that's wet or has any moisture, make sure you return it immediately. But always put your stuff in the cleaner. There's a warranty card. And one of the things I love about Aspire is that they have U.S. warranty centers, and warranty centers probably in your country too, and they care about things that break and go wrong, so make sure you contact them if they do. A user manual, a little card that shows information about battery safety, which is cool, and how to inspect your batteries to make sure they look good. Very important. Extra O-rings, let's talk about this. It's so great. They included extra O-rings, and I needed one because when I took this thing apart, originally to put it in the ultrasonic, one of the O-rings was cut. Thanks, Aspire, that's cool. And it has a big, funky, thick O-ring that goes into the top cap, which may take a little getting used to clean, but it's pretty interesting and cool. And it lets them have this cool pull-off top cap design, which you'll see here in a second. And there's the manual. This is the Puxos. I'm so excited. This one has super scratches on the front, I notice. We're taking off the Keeley. I love that. This whole thing is made of plastic, but it has a beautiful, almost woody kind of feel here. And it's super lightweight. It's got a real 510 in there. There is the orange 18650 adapter. And this thing will take a 21-700 battery, an 18650 battery with this adapter, or a 2700 battery. And this is so great. I've been waiting almost 18 months for Aspire to release a 21-700 mod, and this is it. This is really cool. A couple of the viewers, including Gary, already has one of these things. This only goes on one way. The 510 has a little inscription in there. Hasn't worn off yet. Certification. Let's get a battery in this thing. This comes in 6 different skins, and they're all absolutely beautiful. There's a circles one, a music one, a camo one, and a black and white art one. I'm going to take out this tray and show you the Cleito Pro in just 1 second. First, I'm just going to show you the kit that it comes with. There's Aspire's 4000 mAh battery, an extra coil, a half-ohm Cleito Pro coil. They tell me that these are compatible with the Cleito, not the Cleito 120. And a USB cable. Just pop that back in here. This is our 18650. Let's use it and see. I love how it's sealed. And see if it has much charge in it. you pop that off, that has a little bit of a screw